This might sound crazy, but on any day of the week, at any time, I'm able to get my nails done, my hair done, and build an income from home using a done-for-you system. There are no tech headaches, no asking people to buy from me, and no boss breathing down my neck. And the wild part about it all is I make 90 to 100% profit on a product that I don't even have to create. And it's allowing people to make six figures in 6 months by being coachable and consistent. I know, it sounds way too good to be true. So let me explain. This has been called one of the best digital business models in 2025. I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, what's inside the system I use, and answer any questions that I get on an everyday basis. Firstly, who is this for? Basically for anybody. Me, I'm a parent who is trying to buy back time. But this can also be for anybody who is burnt out in an unstable job environment and who isn't getting raises, or someone who just wants to be able to build something from home and doesn't want to start from scratch. And if you're thinking, I don't have the time nor the money to spend on something that's not going to work, I know, I get it. I was that person. Making 100% profit means that you have the MRR, Master Resell Rights. You have purchased that product once and you are able to resell it at 100% profits over and over and over again. To make 90% commission or less means that you're an affiliate marketer, means that you are promoting somebody else's product, but you are getting a percentage of the commission, not 100% profit. Having a business that makes 100% profit, plus being an affiliate marketer, opens up endless multiple income streams, which is always important to have. You might be asking yourself, why should I consider selling other people's products? And this is where I'm going to present some facts to you. Firstly, the global digital marketing industry is projected to hit $1.3 trillion by 2033 and is already a $1 billion a day industry today. And the global e-learning industry is experiencing substantial growth, projected to reach $370 billion by 2026. By 2032, it's expected to reach $1 trillion. So the programs that I promote that make 90 to 100% profits is a program that teaches you exactly how to make money online. So essentially, it is in the e-learning industry. But here is what also makes a difference. You are not just learning theory. You get step-by-step digital marketing training, your own funnel and automation system, and lifetime access to mentorship and support. You are never alone. This is a business in a box designed for the total beginner, proven to work, and there's absolutely no monthly expense, which means you get one customer and you're already in profit mode. When I started, I had no experience. I was definitely scared to be judged. And I was tired of working hard and having nothing to show for it. And I wasn't trying to be rich, although that is always nice. But all I actually wanted was just my freedom. Freedom to go to school events, to take a day off if I wanted to, and not feel sick to my stomach every single time I've looked at my bank account. So let's address the common question, do I have to show my face? Absolutely not. You can do this completely faceless. You are even given the content to use to help you do this fast. With that being said, you do post videos to social media. Because social media is a free platform to use and you'll have evergreen content, meaning while you are out living your life, you still have your videos going out there, working for you, being shown to your audience and making you money. Another question I always get asked is, how much does this cost? This is a one-time investment, and as mentioned earlier, there are no monthly expenses. Once you make your first sale, you are automatically in profit mode. If you've ever sold Avon or insurance or even a t-shirt online, you have already done this business. And if you're making 90% commission or if you're making 100% profit, they do have different startup costs. The startup costs, there are different packages to suit your goals and to suit your bank account. Is this a pyramid scheme? Absolutely not. You're not being paid to recruit. There is no upline making money off of you, and there is no downline that you are making money from. You're selling an actual product, a digital course, and you are keeping 100% of the profits or 90%. What scares a lot of people off? What happens if I have no tech skills? And you don't need. Everything is built for you. You have your funnels, you have your emails, and if you can copy and paste, you can most definitely do this business. And if you're wondering what is in demand right now, this is it. People are searching ways to make money online more than ever before. And they're doing this because they're tired. They're tired of inflation, of getting no raises, and of missing out on time with their children. or having goals and dreams that they think they're never going to be able to fund. This system helps people take back their power. And that's exactly why I do it and why I share it. And here are a few testimonies for you to see for yourself. If you're curious, skeptical, or scared, I know, because that's exactly how I was. But at the end of the day, nothing changes if nothing changes. I've put together a free blueprint that explains the process step by step and gives you the full strategy. The link to my digital store is down below. You can see what the 100% program has to offer and what the 90% commission program has to offer. And you can even grab a few freebies. And you are not too late. You're one decision away from peace, time, and income. So let's build your freedom mission.